All right, ladies and gentlemen, gonna tell you real quickly about this brass hose splitter that we picked up. This thing is golden in more ways than one. Of course, the color's gold, but it is super awesome. We used to have a plastic one on this hose bib, and the fittings here, and here, those were all brass threads inset into plastic, and the price was right. However, the quality was not. I'm not going to tell you the name, but I just wouldn't recommend buying any one that's plastic. We went to take our hose cart, which is connected to this hose, took our hose cart out to do some work on the end of the driveway, and when we pulled on our hose cart, it pulled down on the splitter and broke it right off of there. Of course, it was plastic, so it broke real easy. With this one, it does something cool. There's a little cool feature. I've got this tightened down with a wrench to our backflow, but it still swivels and it doesn't leak. So if you pull on one of these outlets too hard and it needs to swivel, it can. Another cool thing is this kit it comes with. I haven't installed it here, but there's a chrome bar that bolts from here, and you can bolt it back to your house. However, we've got a water line right there, so I'm not sure how I'm going to bolt it to the house, but that really sturdies it up if you can bolt that piece of rod from here to the wall. I don't think we're going to need to do that. I think this thing's sturdy enough for our needs. We hardly ever pull on that cart. I think that was a one-off deal, but this is just solid and sturdy. We've been really impressed with it so far. We've connected one of our shorter hoses to here a couple times and pulled on it, and we haven't had any problems. It just feels like it's quality. Also tells you, hey, turn these valves this way to turn them on. You know, it tells you which way to turn the valves. The other one, we were kind of guessing which way was which, but here's an old plumber's trick. The arrow points to the direction of the water, see that? So that one's open, that one's open. Since this one's pointing across, that means it's closed. It's a little handy trick just in case you come across some valves that you don't know are open and closed. Usually they point to the direction of the flow. But we love this brass. Why? We've had it for several weeks. Like I said, just a great buy, well worth the price. Wish we'd have done this last year and not wasted our money on that plastic one. And lastly, I purchased this item on my own to use and enjoy. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and give me a like or subscribe. If you'd like to purchase this item, I have a link in the description.